Best natural home remedies for sinusitis. Do you have a tongue and a thumb? If you do, you already have everything you need to clear your sinuses in less than 20 seconds. A stuffy nose often occurs as a symptom of another health problem such as a sinus infection or the common cold. Usually, these health problems are minor, that is allergies, nasal polyps, chemical exposures, environmental irritants and hay fever. When the lining in the sinus cavities gets inflamed due to irritants, bacteria or viruses, your nasal passage swells and gets blocked up, making it hard for you to breathe. Nasal congestion usually clears up within a week, but with this natural remedy, you may not wait that long to breathe easy ever again. How to clear your sinuses in 20 seconds. Ready to breathe easy? Follow these simple steps. Push your tongue against the top of your mouth and place your thumb between your eyebrows. Apply pressure with your thumb for 20 seconds. Your sinuses will begin to drain. How does it work? You might be wondering how a little pressure on a bone can lead to a drain of sinuses. It has a scientific reason behind the technique. According to Lisa DiStefano, D.O., an assistant professor at the Michigan State University College of Osteopathic Medicine, this technique causes the vomer bone to rock back and forth. The back and forth motion loosens congestion, allowing your sinuses to drain. If the technique mentioned above doesn't work for you, don't rush to your drugstore for a solution just yet. Try these 4 natural home remedies. You may already have these ingredients at home. Organic apple cider vinegar. Mix 8 ounces of warm water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey, or take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar 3 times daily. Your sinuses should clear up in a few days. You could also mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water, heat it on a stove, and inhale the steam with your mouth and eyes closed. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which contributes to this spicy's anti-inflammatory properties. Sprinkling some turmeric on your next meal can help to treat the nasal inflammation that is blocking up your sinuses. Nasal saline rinse. This is not the most comfortable solution, but many people rely on a saline rinse to clear up their sinuses. The mixture can consist of a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt/pickling salt with 1 cup of warm water. This rinse gets poured through one nostril and out the other to clear the sinuses. If you have never done a saline rinse before, ask someone for assistance and read and follow the instructions on the package very carefully. Oregano oil. Oregano oil isn't as widely available or as cheap as the above natural remedies, but if you happen to get your hands on this oil, simply ingest it, or steam it over the stove and inhale it to effectively clear up your sinuses. This oil is an effective sinus infection treatment. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.